So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on Run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.